on, y'all? It's your girl Kimberly P. Welcome back to my channel, KP Spark. If you wear glasses and you struggle wearing makeup in addition to wearing your glasses, you clicked on the right video. I got you covered. No worries. You in the right place. You in the place to be. I got you. Continue watching to hear tips on how I wear makeup with glasses. If you want to see all that, continue watching. Okay, when I do wear glasses, I love to glow and have a radiant look coming from the inside, seeing as though my eyes aren't really showing. I really want my skin to look very glowy. So I've already applied my primer to my normal areas. I applied it right here to make my pores appear smaller, as well as on top of my brows. It tends to get oily anytime I do wear makeup with or without glasses, so I put it there as well. I'm going to apply Melanie Mills Gleam Body Radiance, and I'm going to put this actually underneath my foundation so it can peek through. That's kind of my logic as to what works for me. And this step is of course optional if you don't have this product, but whatever way you like make yourself glow from within, do that, girl. Teach us how to live and how to serve the Holy One. So underneath my foundation, I have this radiant. Ooh, that was a little bit too much. This radiant glow going on, so it will actually emphasize how radiant my skin looks like. And when I put powder highlight on top of it, we just gonna be looking like a light bulb, and I'm gonna be blinding you. Well, at least that's the goal. Now you guys already know the deal. I love my Fenty foundation, and that's what I'm going to apply next. But the main thing when you are wearing makeup with frames, you want to avoid putting a lot of liquid around your nose area. You know that dent that you see when you take off your glasses? That can be avoided if you simply apply less foundation to that area. And I'm actually going to use this trick that I learned from Face Over Matter. She put setting powder around here. I want to see if that works as well. So I'm going to apply my foundation and avoid putting it all over my nose area. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God. And as you can see, I'm like kind of tapping it, and I'm gonna go, I'm like trying to spread the foundation out that's on my brush right now. I'm spreading it away from my nose area, but I'm tapping it. And when I say nose area, I mean like right here where you would see the dent. I'm avoiding putting a lot of foundation there, so I'm like spreading my foundation away. And I'm tapping my nose to put foundation on it right now. So not a lot going on there. And plus, if your glasses are on your nose, you don't even need a lot of makeup there in general. So it makes sense what we're doing. Alright, so now I'm going to apply concealer. My foundation is on, and the concealer I use on an everyday basis. Well, at least every time I do my makeup, because I don't wear makeup during the week. Nah, shawty like me only wears makeup on the weekends. But I'm going to apply my Kat Von D concealer that I usually apply, which is in the color warm D37 Warm. But before I apply that, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder, and put that powder right here, the area that I want to avoid getting that dent, because that's the biggest annoyance when it comes to wearing glasses. So I'm gonna apply it right here and see if her trick works. And she said that this helps you avoid getting your concealer in that area. Now I'm gonna apply my concealer. Teach us how to live and how to serve the Holy One. I'm applying my concealer where I would usually apply it in the, oh, that's kind of a little bit much, but it's fine. on the corner right here. But my translucent powder is helping me to avoid putting it in the area that I want to avoid. And as I'm blending it out with my beauty blender, I'm going to blend away from the area that I don't want to have a lot of liquid on. And I'm kind of patting away, not towards. I'm not patting it inwards, I'm patting it away. It's so interesting the faces you make when you're applying makeup. It's like, I look crazy right now. Stick to the script. Get back to the basics. You don't have to make the same mistakes. After blending that concealer out, we're gonna set like how we usually set. I'm setting with my Laura Mercier powder. Nothing changed. It's a different video. My routine is the same. You know what you have to do. Stick to the script. And now you're done. Psych, no. What am I saying? So now I'm gonna bronze my face, do my brows off camera, and I'm gonna come back when I am doing my eyes. Yeah, that's when you'll need to see what I'm doing. I'll be back. Alright, so I've done my brows and my eyes and bronzed my face off camera. When I wear glasses, the definition of my eyes kind of gets hidden by my frames. So one tip I would tell you if you fall into the same problem is to use either a white eyeliner or a just bright eyeliner to make your eyes pop a little bit more and appear bigger. Now if you have bigger eyes, my eyes are pretty small, you don't have to really do this step, but this is what really helps me add definition to my eyes and make my makeup pop even more. Under the sun, the word will teach us how to live and how to serve the whole. This eye right here pops out a little bit more, and it's subtle, but you can tell the difference compared to this eye without it. If you wanted it to be more dramatic, you would add like a white eyeliner. LOL. So I actually did want my eyes to pop a little bit more, so this is not the right cap. But so I actually did apply the NYX Jumbo pencil on my waterline so my eyes appear even more open now. I look like a Harajuku Barbie. Y'all, I think I poked my eye too much when I was putting that liner on. Ugh. Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. I want to see if it actually makes my lashes look... Clean up on aisle 4. I want to see if it will actually make my lashes look longer. So I'm going to use it. Under the sun. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me see. What do you guys think? I think my lashes are pretty lit with this. I might not wear lashes with this since I'm wearing glasses. Wow. I like this mascara. You guys should try it out. I don't remember how much I think this is 12. The sample size. Wow, I really like this mascara. That's nice. Dang, I didn't know you won't make my lashes look like that. That's nice. You guys, I'm so impressed by this mascara. I'm going to go without lashes. But now I'm going to spray my face with, I'm going to spray my face before I apply my highlighter. And immediately after I spray my face, I'm not even going to let it dry all the way. I'm going to start applying my highlighter. The reason why I do this is so that my highlighter can pop more. You know how you spray your brush before you apply a shadow so it can pop more? It's the same thing. So the highlighter I'm using today is by Danessa Myricks and it's called Attraction. It's a loose highlighter. I'm going to spray my face with Gerard Cosmetics setting spray in, I think this is a cucumber scent. It smells so good. Immediately after I spray my face, I'm applying my highlight to the tip of my nose, right here where the light is actually hitting, same location here, and just a little bit on the temples of my forehead, just to tap it. As you can see, my highlight is popping right now. I look like I'm just melanin glistening gold. And that is actually the look that I'm going for right now, so which is perfect. And as I'm following through right after I spray my face, my highlight is popping even more. This is already an intense loose highlight, but seeing as though I'm going in right after I spray my face, it's popping even more. It's okay to be extra. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't be extra. The lip that I'm using is the liquid lipstick in Teddy. It's the NYX lingerie brand, and I'm going to apply a lip topper right on top of that to make it into a gloss, since it's a matte lip. And the lip topper I'm using is called Girl on Top, so it's such a cute name, and it's by Too Faced. I'm gonna also go around the perimeter of my lip with good old favorite by Colored Rain and Soul. Oh, what the heck, let's just go over Teddy with that. So this lip topper, it literally feels like water. Just adding it on top so that this is a gloss rather than a matte lip. I've been really into glosses lately. So this is the finished look with my glasses on. You can see how radiant my skin looks like, and you can see, although the ring light is glaring through these frames, but that's okay though, that's okay. You can still see the definition of my eyes because I added an eyeliner. And when I take my glasses off, you don't see a dent on the side of my nose, which is getting my look. Like that, I like that. Look at you looking good with your good looking self. Looking good without any dents on the side of your nose. I like that. I promise I'm not weird, you guys. Please don't click out of the video. These glasses are from Firmoo.com. You can get them prescription or without a prescription. And if you are interested in buying a pair, please check out my description box to find some goodies so you can use during your purchase. If you wear glasses and you do want to wear makeup, it's possible, boo thing. You just gotta be more intentional about the nose area and just make your eyes pop a little bit more, okay? All right, I got you.